Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
And do here is put it on the wire wheel and get all the plating off from the faces.
Okay.
So that way,
So that's the main drive pulley for the belts, right?
correct. Yeah, this is what we talk about when we talk about welding the fences.
Yeah.
These sheet metal strips here are the fences. And with the TIG, I'm going to put just a couple of stitch welds on here
Okay.
just to help keep it secure. But in the process of doing that, welding is melting and combining the metals. So anything here,
Needs to be clean.
yeah, otherwise it contaminates and
Right.
it, ruins the quality of the weld. So we're going to start with wire wheeling that up.
It's shiny.
The belt usually tries to walk off
Oh, okay.
that direction and pull the front one off, so I'm not really worried about the rear. The advice I was given is if they're still in good shape, which fortunately this one is, do 3 short little stitches just to
Yeah.
make sure it stays that way. If it already started to come loose, then you do 4 kind of more aggressive welds to try and re-strengthen it. But this one has no loss of strength, so there's no need to go overboard with it. Consider the car's it's not a 10,000 mile car. It's got miles on it, it's got age on it, and it's still secure. So that's
They probably built that one good.
yeah, this one came out pretty good. Yeah.
There it is.
Tim, I met you at Carly Coffee a couple times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Man, sorry. I've met a lot of people, so.
Oh, yeah.
Is this one yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm the one that fucked up.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard, man.
So we're gonna replace the cam position sensors. Got new ones. That's part number 130975. Although they call it a speed sensor.
So actually it goes off of the
it's off the crank.
crank. Yeah.
Yeah, crank, or not cam position. Sorry, crank position sensor. Yeah, you can see that's kind of messed up. Insulation's falling apart. Ooh, so finessey. It's kind of weird. Like the whole thing comes off.
Yeah.
Whoop, up. Saw washer.
Did you?
Yeah. New crank position sensors, which is strange that there's 2.
It's because one for each bank.
Oh, that's right. 2 computers. Nah, that's funny. Got the little key. Oh, it actually taps in.
Make sure it's perfect before you, because if you put any burrs on it, we're gonna have to file the burrs off.
Looks like it.
How far? All the way?
Let's put a socket on the end of that instead of banging on the fence.
Okay.
There you go.
Could hear it.
And then double check with the light and make sure you still see the key.
Yep. Clear up almost flush.
There you go.
Woohoo!
And then did you get a new nylock
Yep.
ring nut?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
What cam part number is this?
This was be a ring nut 104919.
Sweet.
And to install this ring nut, we'll be using the Hill Engineering RNT-28, which is also available from Ricami America.
Oh, that's that weird. Yeah.
Yep.
Look at that. That's got some weird shit on it. Oh, hold on, focus, you bastard.
Yeah, you want to get a
There it
close
is.
up of this to see what you need there?
Oh yeah, that is a very odd. Whoops. Piece.
So the Hill Engineering
Yeah, it
tool
goes in those
fits in
little
the
slots.
slots. Yeah.
Crazy. Oh, it's like it's meant to be. Alright, so that nut gets torqued to 118 Newton meters or 87 foot-pounds.
Obviously, make sure you keep that held real nice and square.
Oh, I gotta get. There's Richard doing work.
There it is.
Ooh, ah.
Yahtzee, boys.
Woo! Hi, Tim. What you doing?
I'm scraping gaskets once again.
Is it fun?
No.
Why not?
It's tedious. Look
Where?
at that right here.
Ooh, yeah, it's nice and corroded.
Yeah, a little bit
Ooh.
of corrosion there.
We need to clean that off because I
Yeah.
don't even think it's gonna grip very well.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
Hey, just look at it this way. If you get enough corrosion build up, it'll seal itself.
Terrible way to look at it. Ooh, can smell it. We got more Ricambi parts. What is it? 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 Oh, the gasket pump.
Yeah, pump gasket.
Oh, there it is.
O-ring.
It's this guy and this little O-ring. So it's 132979. All right, so this little guy is 101044. All right, so we're putting the
New thermostat.
new thermostat and new thermostat gasket or O-ring. What is that? Is that an O-ring or a gasket?
It's a split seal that goes around it.
Seal. We'll call that. We'll go with seal. Ooh, what is this? So this is the O-ring 105192, which is for the thermostat housing. So there's an O-ring that goes on that. Nice. Gasket all nice and goobered up. Damn, I didn't get to see the.
Yeah, we got
I
it.
gotta show that. It's too beautiful.
Ah.
Yeah, there we go. All right, look at this brand new. So that's the new impeller. Look at the design on that. It's absolutely beautiful. Versus this old paddle wheel style. You can see getting the kit with the new stuff is a pretty good idea.
I almost don't want to cover it up. It's so beautiful.
I know, right? It's like a work of engineering art.
It felt like it was rocking on the center.
All right, well,
Oh,
shit's gonna go wrong.
Look at that shit.
Something's always gonna go wrong. And it turns out that there was 2 gaskets there, and we only pulled off the one, so
There should only be one.
there should only be one. So obviously we tried to put it in, it didn't fit right, something wasn't right, and now we have to get a new gasket.
And the gap between the impeller and the face is fairly important
Yeah.
for water flow. So
Yeah,
So
with
you
the
don't
gap,
get
it's not gonna
cavitation,
not gonna work right. Well, Boo Earns.
Are you saying boo or boo earns? I was saying boo earns.
All right, that is the alternator bracket going back on. There it goes. Whoop, something popped out. Belt tensioner for the alternator. Tensioner holder. All right,
so-
yeah, that's it for today, right? Wrapping
Yeah.
up.
I
Yeah, so
used
we
to
gotta
get the
order some
parts ordered
parts.
from
Yeah.
Daniel.
All right, that's gonna wrap up for now. So we'll continue this. It's probably gonna be a few days for us. I don't know how many days it'll be for you guys. Getting there. So we got, obviously the cams still have to go on, the belts still have to go on, the tensioners still have to go on. We got a lot of stuff to go on still, but chipping away at it. Like I just said to Tim, there's a lot less crap on the desk right now. Space.
A lot more on the used.
Yeah, the
Parts.
used pile is bigger than the incoming pile, so that's a good sign. Go visit ricambiamerica.com. That's www.ricambiamerica.com. Use the code NGS10, get 10% off. And of course, we've been saying all the part numbers so you guys know what parts to get if you're doing one of these and you're crazy like us, which is good. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. We're gonna be doing more car stuff. It's gonna be sweet.